Designated Learning Institution or DLI. Make sure that the program being offered is PGWP eligible and that the school offering it is included in the DLI list. It is easy to check this information. Just go to this website, Designated Learning Institutions List, and choose the province. Here you'll see the name of the institution or school, the DLI number, and on the right side, offers PGWP eligible programs. Your school should be here in the list, and it should say yes for PGWP eligible programs. To further check if your program of interest is eligible for PGWP, go to the institution's homepage or the school's homepage and search there. Or if you can't find it in their website, you can email the school's international center. But make sure before you proceed to that specific program, you got the yes for that PGWP eligible program.